Welcome to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we're here with the 1700E and the 2700E, and we've got a new upgrade we want to show you for the 2019 models of Massey Ferguson economical utility and compact tractor. It's the new loader valve and mounting setup. It now has a new valve where it's a lot cleaner through here. Got your couplers coming straight in, it makes it a lot cleaner. Got this new adjustable base. You've got a slot here that you can adjust your up and down here. You got the new curved handle design here to make it easier to operate. The valve is very responsive. The couplers are going to be easier to hook and unhook because you're working this way versus up on top. This tractor here is a 2706E. If you come up here on the platform, you can see from above you've got easier control of your loader valve with this new valve design. Little cleaner install on your hoses. We'll jump over here on the 1700E just to show you it, but we found it on the new 2700E and the 1700Es from Massey Ferguson. We're not sure what every series, but it's going to be the loader mounted versions. Your premium compact is not going to have this because that's built in, but the 1700E has the same similar valve, the same similar arm setup. Cleaner, kind of hides that valve and everything, makes it a nice little cleaner look. Your hoses are coming off, easier to connect and disconnect. Got your cap still down here to plug everything up when it's removed. But we're going to jump up here, fire up this 1700E. This is actually a 1734E in the gear version, but the hydrostat versions has the exact same thing. Got to put it in neutral. You can do two functions at once. You go to your angles, raise and lower. There's your lower speed. Just gives you a little cleaner, nicer feel for your compact tractor. Check out this new feature for 2019 year model. And here is a brand new 2019 2600H series tractor, and it also features the same new joystick control valve as the 1700E and 2700E. You can see the mounting here covers up the hydraulics, makes it a little easier for the hoses to come in. And now the 2600H, the 1700E, and the 2700E are all going to have this new style mounting that's adjustable for your joystick control for your loaders. Come check out this new feature for 2019 year model Massey Ferguson 1700E and 2700E series compacts and small utility tractors. Advancing, listening to customers' needs is what Massey Ferguson's all about, and we've upgraded the new joystick controller on these two series of tractors for 2019. Come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your Massey Ferguson dealer here in Higginsville, Missouri, at the corner of Business 13 and Missouri 13, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, just a short drive outside of Kansas City. We're 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line, and we sell everything from a subcompact all the way to the 8700 series high horsepower tractors. We've got tractors, we've got hay equipment, and more here at Vahrenberg Implement. Come see the latest, the newest from Massey Ferguson. Evolving to meet your needs, so you get more, you can do more, and enjoy more with your Massey Ferguson tractor. And get it at Vahrenberg Implement.